This is a level 2 or level 3 plus LTC and scan component station. It looks like it's just a scan component station because in the background it is behaving as an LTC in assume mode so quickly that you cannot see it establish tracking in the PLC in between this job and that job. In between those two jobs, see, I gotta type this part in, I don't have that barcode. In between those two jobs, it wrote the assumed tracking over here into the cell controller. See, there's 8274 CSM. We're about to change to the next one, and there is 75, and that's a 75 over here. Because of the multi-threaded, I don't have that barcode either, because of the multi-threaded LTC, the operator over here, who's waiting to scan VCVS, can actually start scanning right there almost before the tracking is in the PLC. He's already working on it. I don't have this barcode either. You can see the conveyor is running very fast with the new simulation code in the PLC. And the transition is almost instantaneous between one job and the next. If you look at the screen down here, it's hard to tell, but these are all light blue GPIX jobs. These are in the track zone. This station is basically writing to the cell controller only. It is not reading from the controller for tracking at all. That's why it's so fast. And that's how the LTCs will work with the plus option turned on. You can see I've got LTC plus, and my GPIX over here is, yeah, I didn't mean to open that one. The GPIX is connected directly to an SEP device instead of to the cell controller and the BDX buffer. In this mode, you actually don't need the GXP PLC anymore. All you need is GMP and an SFE device, which is very simple to set up. Because this is acting as an LTC, I can at any point hit F6 to restart job, and it will stop and bring up the LTC screen because I just restarted the station for the LTC, and I can put in any vid I want there accepted by the LTC, and I can just proceed at that point back to scanning. But because it's an LTC underneath, I can always reset and get back to the point where I can scan PVIs, or I can enter in vids and I can reestablish tracking or change tracking at any point. Pretty cool, huh? Level 2, 3 plus.